In this guide, I'll show you a simple trick to achieve a high score in Block Blast using a glitch. Let's dive in. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and must like this video. First, launch the Block Blast app and choose the classic mode. Locate the settings icon, a gear symbol, in the top right corner and click it. Use the replay option until a vertical block appears. Once you see a vertical block, place it in the bottom right corner of the screen. Arrange the other blocks as you like. Here's an example setup for reference. Prepare for the next round. In the following round, when you receive another vertical block, position it similarly, but ensure you leave one full line open. Arrange the remaining blocks freely, but avoid filling the last two vertical lines from right to left. The game will continue supplying vertical blocks. Keep placing them strategically to complete lines. After clearing a line, insert another vertical block and repeat the process. This glitch ensures you receive more vertical blocks consistently, enabling you to maximize your score. Now you know how to leverage this trick to achieve a top score. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.